One of the biggest, maybe not obvious challenges that caused us to build this product in the first place was keeping signer state in sync across multiple networks. So, for example, we have this Trezor account that has this address 0x8fd5, and we want that address on multiple chains, so we don't have to think about, are we sending funds to the right address on the right chain. The issue, though, is as a multi-sig, right? So this is a one of three. It's really hard to make sure that if we update these signers, it's going to the signer state is going to stay in sync across all the chains on which we're active. And so that's something that we solve, and it's baked into this product. So if I go and I edit this, and I can just add another one of my own signers, I hit save, this is going to prompt me for a transaction, which I'll need to approve. And I'm going to say add Abram Chrome as a signer here. I'll go ahead and execute that. And I'm going to use my existing signer to do that because it requires that permission. And in a second, you will see that this update goes through. Oh, here we go. Okay, iCloud and Chrome. And so now this account, instead of being a one of three, is actually going to be a one of four because I just added a second signer on both Optimism and Base. And if we wanted that to stay in sync on other networks, all we'd have to do is go in and activate those networks from our settings. So keeping signer state in sync across different networks is very hard. We have solved this today. We think there's a lot more we can do here, especially around keystore rollups. And it's one of the big issues that we ran into prior to using this product.